Good morning. Myself is Ablesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The subject name is Manufacturing Technology 2. The subject code is ME8451. Unit 2, Center Lathe and Special Purpose Lathes. From Unit 2, we are going to discuss about topic center lathe, types of lathe, and constructional features and operations of lathe. Lathe. Lathe is machine tool mechanical used in a mechanical industry, factories and warehouses and manufacturing unit. It is a widely used machine tool. The main function of lathe is to remove metal from a piece of work to give it to required shape and size. For achieving our shape and size, the lathe are used. It is used for many areas. It is used in many areas such as warehouses and manufacturing unit, etc. The lathe rotates the object around the spindle from the machining. The metal is in desired form. The lathe rotates the spindle and the chuck and the workpiece. At that time, the tool will be stationary. Then it will be the tool will be moving forward to the spindle and will be achieve the desired form of workpiece. Lathe. It is based on a type of operation and the categories of manual and automatic CNC controlled. Lathe are manual and CNC controlled machines. Lathe are designed for different industrial applications but the basic feature remains common. Lathe is a common one, but for a different depends upon the industrial applications, the designs will be uh, vary. The main parts of lathe are headstock, bed carriage, and tailstock. The various features and functionalities make the lathe used for a different types of applications. Next is type of lathe. The lathe are many types. First one is center lathe, tool room lathe, turret lathe, gang tool lathe, multi-spindle lathe, and CNC lathe. It is depends upon the need. The various types of lathe are available in market based on the machine, tool functionality, and technology used in manufacturing the lathe. Center lathe. It consists of headstock, gear levers, guard, chuck inside chuck, and the coolant supply for a cooling purpose, and the tool post for holding the tool, and the top slide for adjustment of the tool, and the tailstock and the lead screw to travel the forward and reverse area. The motor lever will be here, and the cross slide on the carriage, and the saddle hand, and the feed shaft, and etc. The center lathe construction features it consists of headstock, tailstock, bed, carriage, and the feed rod, lead screw, and feed change gearbox. Lathe specifications. The first one is distance between centers. Maximum length of the job that can be done. It is called as a distance between centers. The maximum length of the job that can be done. The travel of the carriage is called as a distance between the centers. The swing over the bed. The maximum diameter of the job that can be turned is called as a swing over bed. The maximum diameter of the job that can be turned with a job across the cross slide is called a swing over the cross slide. Then the next one is horsepower HP of the motor. What is how much HP horsepower of the motor, the capacity of the motor. Second one is a number of speed, and the next one is a number of feet. Lathe accessories. They are divided into two types. First one is work holding, supporting, and driving device. In this work holding, supporting, and driving device, first one is lathe centers, chuck, and flat plates. Second one is mandrel, steady, and follow rest. And the third one is lathe dog and the drive plates. First one is a lathe centers. Lathe centers and chuck. Chuck is a work holding device, workpiece holding device, and the lathe dog is a trip dog. It acts as a trip dog at the end part, front and forward. The end part is called as lathe dog. Second one is cutting tool holding device. First one is straight and option hold holders. Second one is a threading hold holders, bore bars, and the turret type tool post. Check. It is used to essentially for holding work for manufacturing operations. The work large or unusual shape. The most commonly used lathe checks are 3-jaw, 4-jaw, and collar checks. In 3-jaw check, it consists of 3 jaws, and the 4-jaw check it consists of 4 jaws. But in 3-jaw it is a universal, but in 4-jaw it is an independent check. Collar check. The collar check is the most accurate check used for high precision work, and the spring collar available to hold around the square or hexagonal shaped workpiece. Each collar has a range of only few thousands of in each over or under size stamped and colored. It is a collar is used for a high precision work only. It is a used as a most accurate check. In companies, we will be using a collar checks. It is a diagram of a collar check. It is a collar check consists of a collared sleeve. Is a collared sleeve for catching the for holding the collar. The collared sleeve will be available. The it is a spindle and a nose cap. In a collar check, it has a spindle on a nose cap. Lathe operations. Lathe operations are turning, facing, boring, drilling, and threading, knurling. In turning process, it produces straight, conical, curved, or grooved surfaces. In facing operations, it produces a flat surface at the end of the part or for make a face through. In facing, it will be doing operations in the end of the part only. But the turning, it will be done in a straight, conical, or curved areas. It can be done in entire part in a straight, conical, curved, or groove workpieces. Boring. It is a process to enlarge a hole or cylindrical cavity made by a previous process or produce a circular internal grooves. And the drilling to produce a hole by fixing a drill in a 10 stack. Drilling. It is to produce a hole by fixing a drill in a 10 stack. Threading. It is a process operation to produce a external internal thread. Tab is to produce a tab will be having a threading operations like just like that. Threading is to produce a external and internal threads. Knurling. Knurling is to produce a regularly shaped roughness on a cylindrical surfaces. To produce a roughness, shaped roughness on a workpiece, then you go for a knurling operations. These are lathe operation. First one is a straight turning. The tool will be giving a feed towards a spindle. Straight turning. For a straight turning, we are using this type of tools. And the taper turning. These are operations like a taper turning. Many operations done in the lathe. These are some examples. Straight turning, taper turning, profiling up work, and the turning and external grooving. Then the fifth one is phasing operation, and the phase grooving operation, and the cutting is a form tool. Just like a same as a work needed work, will be giving a same shaped tool. And the boring and internal grooving, it is a boring and internal grooving, drilling operations, cutting of operation, threading. Just like we are done if we need a tab, we are going for a, if we need a tab, then we have to do a threading operation and knurling operation. These are the lathe operations. Thank you.